Hello, greetings from me, Sindra Tidika. I'm the founder and the CEO of Endeavour Technologies IT Solutions, and I'm also the founder and the president of Iiwitech, International Igbo Women in Technology. I'm here to briefly introduce Iiwitech, yes, which is International Igbo Women in Technology. International Igbo Women in Technology is a non-profit organization that brings Igbo women in technology together from all over the world. Our mission is to empower Igbo women and youths in technology. That way we can reduce the high rate of unemployment in our community, and also enhance digital literacy, yes, which is lacking behind in the southeast region, Igbo community precisely. And also want to use our platform to develop a digital economy, yes, full-fledged digital economy. I'm here to advise or implore all the Igbo women in technology, yes, to join Iiwitech. We need you guys. We need all the Igbo women in technology. As long as your daily official activities involves technology, use of technological devices, and sales and distribution of technology devices, you can join us. Our partnership is open for both men and women outside the technology sector, while our membership is strictly for women in technology, yes, women whose business involve technology, yes. Please kindly join us. We have work to do. If you go to southeast region, you see our youths that are wasting. They are wasting, yes. A lot of them have involved into so many crimes which they are not supposed to get involved if there is adequate employment, and if they are if they are kind of employed, yes, they need to be employable. That is why we are using our platform to offer them free training and empower them with the things that they need, like computers and other peripheral devices, to help them to empower themselves. Those that want to go into entrepreneurship, they can go into entrepreneurship. Those that want to work, we can also help them to get employed. Please join us today. Thank you for listening.